If you want to start an LLC in Delaware, you're at the right place. I've personally set up companies in Delaware, and in this video I'm gonna walk through the exact step-by-step process how you can do this yourself without any confusion. By the end of this tutorial, you have everything you need to form your Delaware LLC, get your EIN number, and understand all the ongoing requirements to keep your business compliant. We'll cover the real cost, the timeline you can expect, and I'll show you exactly which documents you'll receive. Plus, this setup works perfectly if you're running a local small business, do freelancing, selling online through platforms like Shopify, or building your own agency. I'm gonna keep this practical and straightforward, so let's dive right into it. But first, let's go over why I would choose Delaware for your LLC in the first place. And one of the reasons would be if you actually live in the state itself. However, there are also some other solid business benefits that make Delaware attractive for LLC formation, also if you're a non-US resident. First, if your company operates outside of Delaware, you won't pay Delaware state income tax. That can save you significant money compared to other states. Second, Delaware has a business-friendly legal system with specialized courts that handle business disputes quickly and predictably. The state's corporate law is well established and gives you maximum flexibility on how you structure and operate your LLC. Third, Delaware offers strong privacy protection. When you file your LLC, only the registered agent information goes on the public record. Your personal name and address stay private, and that's a huge advantage if you value privacy. The one thing to keep in mind though is that Delaware does have strict compliance requirements, especially with the annual franchise tax. Miss a deadline and you face some hefty penalties, which we'll cover later in the video as well. Now, before we jump into the formation process, let's quickly go over what an LLC exactly is. And an LLC, or limited liability company, combines the flexibility and tax benefits of a partnership with the liability protection of a corporation. Basically, it creates a separate legal entity for your business, which means your personal assets are protected from business debts and legal issues. LLCs are one of the most popular business structures for a good reason. Now, here's something that trips up a lot of people. You have to use a registered agent in the state for your LLC. And a registered agent is basically your official representative in the state. They receive legal documents and government notices, and they must have a physical address located in the state and need to be available during business hours. This is required by law for every single LLC in the state. Now, let's say you would use your home address as a registered agent. That information will be put on a public record. Anyone can look up your LLC and see your personal information. Plus, if you're not available when important legal documents arrive, you could miss critical deadlines. Now, that's why I always recommend using a professional registered agent service. It protects your privacy, ensures you never miss important documents, and keep you compliant with the state requirements. And for this tutorial, I'm going to show you how to use Northwest Registered Agent. I've used them personally as they're reliable, reasonably priced, and make the whole process really straightforward. To follow along, you can click the link in the description or type in buyhassle.com/Northwest. This will then bring you over to the homepage and will save you over $200 in filing fees. So here we can see $39 LLC formation service, and from here we can then select the state. So I will select Delaware right here, and then we click on Get Started. Then next we're at the page where we can form our company, and first of all they ask what type of business you would like to start, LLC, corporation, or non-profit. Obviously for us we're going to select LLC. Then we have an option right here for the business filing. Now if you want fast filing, you can pay more. Honestly, I recommend sticking with the standard one. It's usually processed within 4 to 7 business days. Now you see the pricing displayed right here with the basic package of $39 and the Delaware state filing fee of $110, which brings the total to $149 for the basic formation. And without a discount, this total would be $349, so you're saving a nice bit of money. Okay, then next we need to fill in the actual information for our company. First, the name of our company. This name needs to be unique in Delaware and has to end with limited liability company or LLC. So for this video, I'm gonna do VectorTube LLC. Then send a copy of lawsuits and legal notices to your attorney. I'm going to select no. For most people as well, this is going to be set at no. Then we have the business purpose. Now you can fill in here that you're going to sell on Amazon or you're going to run a local business, anything. But just for simplicity, you can also say use generic business purpose. That is totally compliant as well. Then we have the addresses, both the physical address on record with the state and the mailing address on record with the state. For both of these, we're going to select the registered agent address of Northwest itself. Then we click on continue, and now we have the management of the company. This is where you basically want to select member managed. We have 2 options, and this is where you want to fill in your first name and last name and also set the address on the registered agent address. Now, if you have multiple members, you can click add member right here and then also add the other member right here in this box. Now next we have the contact information for Northwest, and these personal details will be kept private. These are just for Northwest to communicate with you and complete this purchase. It won't be put on any of the public records. And then we get some optional services. First of all, the business identity. This is where they try to give you a business website, an email, and a phone number. Now for most people this is going to be not necessary, especially not through Northwest, and it's also not free or included. It's a trial. I would recommend unticking this box as you most likely won't need this, and you can also get these services elsewhere for cheaper. However, then on the next page, there is something crucial, and that is the tax ID, also called the EIN number or employer identification number. You need this to open business bank accounts, file taxes, and basically do anything official with your LLC. So it's crucial you select this button. Now, if you're a citizen of the US, it's gonna cost $50. If you are not a citizen, so you don't have an SSN number, it's gonna be $200. Now, you could technically do this alone, but it's a lot of hassle with the IRS. So just for the time saving alone, I would highly recommend adding this service. Then the other things like S corporation election with the IRS, DBA trade name filing, premium mail service are all not necessary, and you could always add these later if necessary. Then when we go to the payment section, you can see this will be the total pricing for the first year of running your LLC in Delaware. And now when we go to the next page, you can see the complete pricing, $199 for filing your LLC in the state and getting your EIN number. But let's also talk about the complete pricing because it's important for your business planning. First of all, for the initial formation, you are looking at the Delaware state filing fee of $110, then the Northwest filing fee of $39, and the EIN service of $50. Now, talking about the pricing, let's go over the real costs here because it's important for your business planning. First, for the initial formation, as we can see, $110 for the Delaware state filing fee, the Northwest filing fee is $39, and the EIN service $50 if you are a resident, $200 if you're a non-resident. But then also for the ongoing annual cost, this is what a lot of people don't talk about. First of all, we have a flat annual franchise tax in the state of $300, and the Northwest registered agent fee after the first year is $125 per year to stay compliant, so the total annual fee is $425. And I'm telling you this upfront because you need to factor in these recurrent costs into your business planning, as it's not just a one-time expense. Now, after you have filed the company, this is what's going to happen. First of all, the LLC formation in Delaware, as said, between 4 to 10 business days, usually around 4. And the EIN processing, if you do it through Northwest, is usually between 1 to 2 weeks. And once everything is approved, you will get access to a Northwest dashboard where you can manage your company info, filings, and all the documents. You will receive your article of organization, which is basically official proof that your LLC is legally formed and exists in the state. You will get designated a registered agent address, so this is your official address in Delaware for your company from Northwest. You will receive your EIN number, as said before, your business tax ID used for all your LLC operations and communicating with the tax authorities, and your LLC branding. This is where you will be operating from. It will be your official business identity. Now next up, let's also talk a bit about taxes, because this honestly is where Delaware really shines and why so many companies decide to form there. First of all, Delaware LLCs are taxed as pass-through entities, so you don't pay any taxes at the business level. It's all passed through to you on the personal level. And here's the big advantage. Delaware has no state income tax for individuals. So while you still owe federal income tax and self-employment tax if you are a resident and a citizen of the United States, you won't pay any state income tax on your LLC profit. Now, if you're operating from outside the US as a non-US resident, this can actually be a truly 0% tax setup, which is what I have myself as well. So all in all, setting up in Delaware can save you thousands of dollars compared to high tax states like California or New York. Now let's also check the required annual filings and penalties. And first, every Delaware LLC must pay an annual franchise tax, as stated before, of $300. You file through the Delaware Divisions of Corporations website by June 1st each year. Now, if you miss this deadline, there's another $200 late fee, plus a 1.5% interest per month until it's paid. Now, if you completely miss this or you don't pay this, your LLC can be dissolved. And really, I've seen people lose their LLCs because they forgot about this filing. The good news is though, unlike many states, Delaware doesn't require LLCs to file an annual report. You simply pay the tax and you're set for the rest of the year, which is pretty easy. Alright, so let's wrap it up. Delaware is an excellent choice for LLC formation, especially with its no income tax and business-friendly regulations. Using a professional registered agent like Northwest protects your privacy and keeps you compliant. Again, for all the resources I've mentioned, I've left links down below in the description. They help support the channel and get you a better deal when forming your own LLC. Thanks for watching and see you in the next video.